Hi my dear friends, and this is Taz from Taslima Maya Art. Welcome to my channel of mixed media and fluid art creations. It's great to have you here. If you're new, please do check out my other videos and don't forget to hit those like, share and subscribe buttons, and do leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. It's a short one from me on the Fluid Art Express this week, but do check out my fellow artists, and the links for their channels and videos and the playlist is down below. So today I'm going to do the unveiling or reveal of my ocean resin art on wood that I did with the two pieces of art I made with Wardy's Waves a few weeks ago. As a quick recap, in case you missed the previous video on this, these are some pictures of the time at his studio. Hi and welcome everyone. I just want to do a little unveiling of this resin art that I did with Neil from Wardy's Waves, and there's a video on my workshop with him, or a kind of get together with him, where he showed me how to do resin art doing beach waves on some wooden boards. So I'm going to show you this. I've obviously shown you in that video if you've seen it, but if you haven't, you'll be able to see it now. So without much ado, I can't wait to see what these look like now. And I did leave them at his place so that it would cure and dry up. So I haven't seen it for a long while. I haven't been able to go and get them off him either. So, oh my goodness, wow. Okay, so let's look at the first piece. How stunning is that? What do you think? It's beautiful. And those waves here, I can see the beautiful lines. And it's such a solid piece of wood. I mean, it's really thick. Look at that. And he's put that on the back for me so I can hang it up. I love it. It's stunning. And I actually made this myself, so that's even better. Lovely. Let's have a look at the second piece now. I think I really like that. I'll pop that over here, and let's look at the next piece. So here we go. Oh, that is so lovely. Look at that. It's so smooth as well. It's so shiny. I really, really like it. Perfect. And he sanded it down around the edges for me as well, which is lovely of him to do. So thank you so much, Neil. I love these two pieces. I can't wait to hang them up on my wall in my art studio out here in the garden, my garden studio. So these are going to go straight up on the wall, so I can admire them every single day and know that I actually created these two beautiful pieces. Okay, so that's it for now, and I will see you again very soon. Up next after me is the talented Darren from Venom Fluid Art. See you there.